Now, coming back to your question, how the hell we identify the returns? One thing that I discussed was the returns for performance marketing, especially when we spend anything on Google and Meta. So guys, when I say returns, then there are three key metrics for generating, or in fact, to identify returns. The first prime metric is understanding how many sales we are generating, either for the day or for the month. Companies always ask you, if you have allotted budget of 1 lakh rupees, then how many sales will you be generating for the company? That's the
Yeah,
very basic question that you get
yeah,
asked.
yeah.
Number one. Number two is, what would be the cost per sale? Again, if we have a monthly budget of 1 lakh rupees, then we are asked, first of all, to divide this budget in different platforms, maybe Google, Meta, LinkedIn, or Instagram, or let's say Snapchat. It could also be TikTok, if not India. TikTok is not working in India. If it's Middle East, we can also go for TikTok. But then they are just trying to understand, how would you allot this budget, bifurcate this budget in different platforms? What would be the cost per lead for each platform, which can differ, which will always differ. So the idea is to, first of all, get the total number of sales. Let's say if it's 100, then they will be asking
Yeah.
you how much would be the cost platform wise. If not platform, even if they ask you to get into one single platform, which could be Google, then they could ask you the cost for campaigns. They'll be asking you what would be the cost per sale for a search campaign, then for a display campaign, for a remarketing campaign, maybe for a performance max campaign. If it's e-commerce, they will further be adding the shopping campaign into it.
Yeah.
Now, the third most important point, question, which is only arising in the case of product category, only for the case of e-commerce, because e-commerce is the category where we spend on the regular, we also generate the returns on the daily spend. For example, if we are spending, let's say, cool. So let's take an example of e-commerce brand where we have a monthly budget of 1 lakh rupees, which means we have a daily budget of 3,000 rupees, right? Let's assume it's a jewelry brand, which means we have to spend 3,000 rupees for a day. Now, in those 3,000 rupees, if we generate 10 sales, then we have a cost per sale of 300 rupees, right?
Yeah.
Now, companies would like to know, if you spend 3,000, you generate 10 sales, what would be the returns in terms of amount, in terms of sale? So let's say our average product value on the website is 1,000 rupees. If that's the case, then at the end of the day, we will be generating sale of 10,000 rupees.
10,000. 10 days.
So 3,000 is the spend. We get 10 sales. Cost per sale is 300. And the returns, which means the amount we have generated for the company, is 10,000 rupees. The formula is quite simple. It's 10,000, which means amount generated, divided by 3,000. We get the returns. So 10,000 upon 3,000 is around 3.3x. So we have generated returns of 3.3x. Now, the moment we sit in any interview, in fact, when I talk to clients, Tejas, Swapnil, Ankit, and other people, so I was talking to this client, and this client was already having a return of 5x. 5x means the client was spending around lakh rupees a month. He was getting revenue of 5 lakh rupees a month. And he wanted me to take it up now further from 5x to 7 or 8x. I reviewed the brand. I reviewed the website. So whenever I get a project, if the account is running, I ask them to share me the read access of Google and Meta. I just go through my, I just do an analysis. I check if we have the options to optimize the account further. And I found that the account was working at its optimum position, which means getting more than 5x returns is very difficult in the e-commerce industry, in the product industry. So you can also get clients, you can also get questions. And in interviews, they can really ask you, hi, if you are getting 5x returns from a project, can you really make it 8x? And a person who is novice can really say, yeah, I will work on the account and make it 8x. Sometimes, frankly speaking, that's not even possible. You might want to get returns from 5x to 8x, your company really wanted, but you have to analyze the account. Only after analyzing the account, especially in the case of e-commerce, it's not only the campaign or the ad account which needs to be analyzed. You also have to analyze the website, the landing page, the product pricing, maybe the entire process of a person, a user, when he completes a sale. So Tejas, these are the key KPIs of performance campaigns. I guess you know it already. Now,
Yeah.
your question was how the hell we define the KPIs of a branding campaign, the returns
Yeah.
of a branding campaign. So first of all, when we talk about defining the KPIs, there are some very understood KPIs. For example, for sales, we will always be having two main KPIs, which is number of sales, cost per sale, and ROAS. But for branding, these KPIs starts with number of impressions.
Yeah.
Impression means number of times ad gets shown over the internet. The number of reach. Now, do you know the difference between impression and reach?
Yeah. Amount of impression is amount of time ad is served by ad server, and
Right.
reach, I think, how many
So
times.
no, it's basically a simple difference is like impression is like a sum, like not unique. So I can see one video many time. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So these are the total views got is a impression, but uh, each each unique person is seeing particular video is the reach.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So reach is the unique number of impressions, we can say.
Impressions.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or we can also say number of users who have seen the ad is reach for us.
Yes.
So if an ad has received 1,000 impression, there could be a case where 500 people have received seen this ad 1,000 times. And it's not
Yeah.
possible, but let's say if it's possible, just for understanding that one person seen the ad twice, then we have an impression of 1,000, reach of 500, and a frequency of 2. Now, what is frequency?
Times of
Times
people.
of number of times someone sees the ad.
Yeah.
Frequency is also a key metric because sometimes with one frequency, the products usually do not get sold. So then we run remarketing campaign to increase the frequency. So we get to show the product again and again, and person get convinced and they eventually purchase the product. So I was just talking about, we have to think about what KPIs do we define for branding, but one key KPI has to be impression. Then it could be reach. Then it further has to boil down to the next one, which is engagement. Now, engagement could also differ. Sometimes, let's say if we are running a Facebook campaign, then when somebody hovers over the ad copy, likes the ad copy, shares the ad copy, save the ad copy, even click the ad copy, all of these activities combined called as engagement. Now, this could be the third activity. This is the engagement of the ad. Fourth one would be is click, of course.
Yeah, clicks is
Eventually,
always.
click is the very, very important KPI. Now,
Yeah.
after click, sometimes client want to see for how long they stay on the website, which is called as
Bounce rate.
not bounce rate.
Okay.
Can someone tell me what's the term for duration?
What I couldn't hear.
So when people visit the website, they have to stay on the website.
Session.
Yeah, session duration. Absolutely right. Yusuf.
Session, okay.
Right. So session duration is the term. So for the duration for which someone stays on the website is called as session duration. Now, which is a very key important metric. I can show you in the analytics if you want that the longer someone stays on a page, the higher are the chances to generate a sale. This is something which I was talking to team of people today only. And we realized products having the higher session duration are being sold on the website. Products with the lower session duration are not being sold at all. 1 second. Okay, my screen is presenting. Give me 1 quick second. Let me just quickly show what exactly I'm talking about here. So this metric is available at the analytics account. We don't get session duration in Google AdWords unless both the accounts are connected. If we have connected analytics with ads, we can see session duration at the ad side as well. Now, this is the figure, average time per session. Here is the session duration. If you look at this product, the one, so these are the products, 7, 8, 9, 10, all of these are the products. The one with 32nd second, this one has got sales on the website. I'm talking about product. I have to copy the product link. Oops, it's not getting copied. Okay, I wish it would get, no, something is really wrong. Okay, this is oval green crystal pendant. I can open it from the website as well. Necklaces pendant. This one. Oval green crystal pendant necklace. More the session duration, more are the chances to sell the products. This is only for the case of e-commerce pages. But when you look at from the perspective of KPIs for impressions, for branding, then they count the session duration for the entire website.
Okay.
It would be the 5th KPI. Then it has to be bounce rate. Now, what is the bounce rate?
It's
The
like
person-
Yusuf, yeah,
someone abandoned the cart or
no, that's not the bounce rate, Tejas.
The
Sorry?
Sorry.
the
Bounce
person
rate, bounce
left
rate
the
is the
website.
person
not that abandoned.
Left
person
the
who is
website.
left website
person left the
within
website.
30 seconds. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
Within 30 seconds or within a minute, people who left the website.
Then what is exit rate?
Exit.
That's what people ask in the interview.
Okay.
I guess, there's a term as
Actually, people click on the ad and they does not get on the website and just
Yes.
got back. That is the bounce rate without loading the session.
no,
I
not
think
at all. Not at all, Angel. That's not the case.
Okay.
So if 100 people come on the website today, out of 100, let's say 30 people gets off from the home page or from the landing page. Then we have 30% bounce rate. Bounce rate is always for the page where people are landing. Now, how it matters? So let's say a website running the ad, showing the ad to 100 people. Let's say not showing the ad, maybe showing the ad to 1,000 people, 100 people coming on the website. Now, how would website perform its entire journey? When more people get off the website or when more people get inside the website? So I guess the website performs, the overall business performs when people get inside the website.
Yeah.
So bounce rate is the wrong factor. It's a bad factor for the website. Website would not want people to bounce off the website. As if someone just comes and bounces. So when somebody lands on the page,
And close the
close the website, gets off the website, that's the bounce rate. Usually the bounce rate is around 50 to 70% is still expected as the right bounce rate. It shall not be more than 70%. Having a 40% bounce rate, 50% bounce rate is a very good number. Okay, now let's say 50% people gets off the website. So we have 50% bounce rate. Now remaining 50% people gets inside the website. Now these metrics are essential for SEO, not for the ads, because for SEO, most of the people lands on the home page or maybe the product pages, but not the landing page. Landing page thing does not work in SEO. Now you are the SEO guy. This is how the hell you don't know bounce rate and exit rate if you are working in SEO for last 6 years.
I think there is lot of happening that now and just forgetting this metrics and all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when people gets into the next page or the next page, when people are exiting from those pages, then the other pages are having the exit rates. So every page can have its own exit rate. Exiting from the other pages of the website, but not the page where person lands. I hope it's clear to Swapnil and Ankit as well.
Yes.
Great, perfect. So Tejas has asked me a question: what could be the KPIs? What could be the metric to find out the performance of a branding campaign. As I said, it could be impression, it could be reach, it could be click, it could also be a CTR in some cases, it could be engagement rate, and finally it could be bounce rate as well, or engagement on the website. Some companies can also ask you to share the heat map. How would you find out the heat map? Can someone tell me? If the company asks you, give me the heat map. I got a client who always asks me, give me the heat map of the website, what people are doing on the website. I want to see what exactly is happening on the website. So how will you find this heat map? Akansha, Ankit, Surabhi, Swapnil, Tejas, Yusuf, any idea? If you get to ask, if you get asked about the heat map,
The Bing having, I forgot the name. Bing having providing free software, free application.
that
I forgot the
captures-
name.
Microsoft has
Hotjar,
this.
you can use
Yeah.
Microsoft Clarity.
exactly, my MS Clarity, or we have
Microsoft
Hotjar.
Clarity.
Hotjar is a very old tool. It was there in the market for more than 10 years at least. Clarity came, I guess, 1 or 2 years back, but that's an amazing free tool by Microsoft. I don't know how Microsoft has come up with such an amazing tool. Usually Microsoft, as a company, does not launch marketing tools, but this is a gem of a tool by Microsoft, available for free. So we simply have to plug in Clarity code into the website. Then we can see two things. First is the heat map. Heat map shows us which part of the website people are browsing, people are engaging with. Second additional thing is getting the video recording as well. So along with the heat map, we can see what exactly people are doing. This video recording really helps us to know how people are behaving on the website. If we find something is wrong with their video behavior, we can tweak that change on the website. So when it comes
Just
to
quick-
driving the sales, yeah, sorry, Ankit.
Yes, I was just asking just a quick question.
Yep.
The video recording is for every user.
We get it for every single user.
That's a lot of data, I think.
Yeah, it's a very important data. It's just that we don't get the name and the phone number. Sometimes company want to get the name and the phone number as well. We get this user information in the form of a cookie or a code.
Got it. Sorry for interrupting.
That's totally fine. Cool. So Tejas, I guess your question is answered.
Yes. I think still, yeah, I got an idea of what, which metrics we should follow, and then we'll calculate, or we can explain ROAS and all that. Yeah.
But if a client asks you how much money I generate, how much,
Yeah.
like
that
money
actually-
is not the parameter for branding.
Yeah.
For branding,
Yeah,
that's
very good. Yeah.
then either he is playing with you.
Yeah. I think it was a tricky question.
Yeah, that could be a tricky question. Sometimes people ask the tricky questions in the interview. The idea is not to understand your answer. It's to understand how you are attempting to give the answer. What's your approach towards an answer which is not even an answer in the real world?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
So I guess now you got an idea that when it comes to digital marketing, the more power is to understand the business, generating returns for the business rather than playing with the ad accounts and the campaigns. When it comes to cracking the interviews, then companies always look for people who can generate returns for them, especially in the arm of performance marketing. So Tejas has told me the story. Let's quickly get to talk to Akansha. Hey Akansha, how are you doing? Hi.
Hello.
Hi. So maybe a quick introduction. I have not remembered talking to you earlier. So I would like to know, when have you joined Springtail's project deck? A quick intro, challenges you are facing, what exactly you are looking forward to do in the arm of digital marketing.
So actually, a day before yesterday only, I have joined the group, and from last 3 years, 8 months, I am in digital marketing.
Mhm.
So yeah, except SEO, I have tried almost every bit of digital marketing, like from Google Ads to paid ads.
Wow, that's
Particularly
amazing.
Facebook and Instagram. And now currently I am working in email marketing.
Mhm.
And yeah, so that's all.
So you
my
have
journey.
pivoted your journey from paid arm of marketing into the organic arm, because email is one of the most important organic arm of digital marketing, right?
Yeah.
And I guess,
from social media to email marketing.
wow. So it started with Google and Meta, then social media, then email.
No, first social media,
Okay.
as I was a fresher.
Mhm.
Then in social media, Facebook and Insta ads.
Okay, the
Then
paid ads.
along with that, Google ads. In Google ads, only the search ads.
Mhm.
Then now email marketing.
So Akanksha, tell me, how is your journey other way around? Usually paid platforms are having the higher salaries in the market. At least that's what I have seen for most of the people. Paid arms are also having majority of the jobs. So people grow from other way around. They first start with organic arm and then eventually they end up into paid. So tell me your journey. How did you choose it by your choice, or it just happened to your life that you got into email marketing, and how
No,
you're doing it there?
No, it happened. It was not my choice. I was supposed to stay in paid advertising only, but the company which I'm currently working on has some bandwidth issue. That's why I'm into
Oh,
their email marketing.
Mhm.
Yeah, that's why I'm into email marketing. That is also good. But the only gap I feel is in paid marketing, the results we get so frequently is not
Yeah.
that in email marketing, it's totally different. So that's one bottleneck I say.
And I guess comparatively, email marketing is sober and boring compared to performance marketing, isn't it?
Yes, actually. Means the results are also very less,
Yeah.
and we have to, the manual work is so much rather than the result. And here the paid marketing is interesting. It's playing with the audience, playing every day, researching, learning new something every day. But in email marketing, there is a constant process, and rest.
So are you working on the bulk data or at the subscribe data of the company?
Both, actually.
Both.
Subscribe
Wow.
and cold email also.
Wow.
Yeah.
So Akansha, I guess you can start off a course on email marketing. I don't really find any good course on over the internet about email marketing. People have really published amazing courses on performance, SEO, SMM, Google Meta, but I don't find a single course on email marketing. Why don't you think of becoming a trainer for email marketing? Just a question, random question.
How much I know, I have started digital marketing without starting a course, first of all. Means
Yeah.
I have learned while doing the job itself only. So I find paid one is more interesting than the email marketing. So I'm not thinking of taking any different
Okay.
course for email marketing. Yes.
Not taking, I'm saying be a trainer. Okay. You got me wrong.
Okay. Trainer. Okay.
Other way around.
Okay. Means
You are already doing email marketing. Why the hell I would ask you to do a course?
okay. Means training people. Okay.
Yeah,
Got it.
training people on email marketing, helping people out how to do email marketing. There's a lot of scope I find in email marketing domain.
Okay, I will consider that, but I really find that is a little bit boring than
It is indeed, yeah.
other.
Life is boring
Yeah.
sometimes. In fact, I talk to people, they say the most monotonous thing when we do monotonous task, which means repeated task, that
Yes.
makes the money for people. The new experiment does not fetch great income to them.
Okay.
So, okay,
Okay.
let me explain. So let's say there's a civil engineer. And this
Okay.
civil engineer does monotonous task for around 20 years. Eventually,
Okay.
he will end up getting into a very big position, at a very good position.
Okay.
It does not matter whether he likes it or not. He becomes senior after 20 years. Maybe he's doing the task repeatedly, and he'll be sitting at a very good package at that point. Comparatively, if you have someone who is changing the task repeatedly, which means the tasks are not monotonous, he might enjoy his life, but he will end up getting the lesser salary.
Okay. So which one we should prefer?
I don't know.
I'm asking for a suggestion.
I don't know. I'm just saying the monotonous tasks are really
Is
bad.
it true? Means is it?
I don't like it at all personally. Seriously speaking, sometimes I hate digital marketing, but then
Yeah.
I don't have an option for my life.
Okay.
So even sometimes we don't like things, but eventually when it comes to earning money, when it comes to getting to a good position, we end up doing the monotonous task for our lives. A sad reality of life.
Okay, that's a lesson for me.
No, I mean, I'm just making a comment, not about you. It's totally up to you. How do you pursue your career?
Yeah.
But yeah, if you are really good at email marketing, even if you're not liking it, it would be really amazing if you start providing some sort of training to people in this digital marketing domain. That will really help you. It can really motivate you when you are training people on any particular facet of digital marketing.
Okay. Okay.
Cool. Amazing. Nice talking to you. So let's quickly get to talk
you.
to Ankit. Hey, Ankit, how are you doing?
I am good.
Okay. So let's say we start with your challenges, what you are doing. How was your day, perhaps? And then what is the career opportunity, maybe things that you're looking at in digital marketing domain?
Yeah, sure. So first of all, my day was good.
Amazing.
And so I started with digital marketing around 3 years back. So I have 3 years of experience. I worked first. I started with GroupM. Then recently, around 4 months back, I have joined IPG.
Wow.
So in GroupM, I was working with Indian brands, and now I get the exposure for global brands while working here.
Mhm.
So my main challenges is what you have told at very start of the meeting, that I am working in Google Ads as well as Meta Ads,
Mhm.
but I get to know about the platform and optimization, but the overall view, what
Mhm.
we should get, like how the budget should be allocated to different platforms,
Hmm.
and
The media
how
planning
we, yeah, media planning part. That is not which I have worked upon yet. So I was only dedicated for Google Ads and execution to optimization, but not the media planning thing.
Ankit,
So this is
have you got a media planning sheet from me where I have a media plan for around 10 different businesses?
not yet.
Okay, so maybe you can
Yeah,
share me the email ID. Maybe you can WhatsApp
sure,
me or
sure.
email me. I'll be adding you to that media planning deck. This deck is having media plans for 10 different businesses, also for
Okay,
different platforms. So going through this deck will help you to understand how to create media plans for different businesses.
okay, sure, sure. So
Cool.
one of the challenges I am feeling right now is this. So I
Mhm.
wanted to learn the media planning part.
Mhm.
And second is I recently working with one of the clients that is a skincare brand. And sorry, not a skincare brand. It's a doctor who is wanting to opening the clinic,
Mhm.
and they have given me the social media part and as well as the Google part, and
Mhm.
they wanted to run the lead generation campaign. So I have executed the lead generation campaign, but I have not designed it yet, like how from scratch.
Mhm.
And that the same thing. I have not created the plan for it.
Okay.
I only executed it on the platform. The
Mhm.
plan came to me, and I have only executed it. So I have little understanding of that. The optimization and a part I know a little bit,
Mhm.
but the planning part I did not uh, know exactly.
Mhm.
So if you can guide me over this, that would be very helpful.
For the lead generation part, right?
Right.
Okay. So as of now, I'm quickly sharing the lead generation, one of the lead generation plans that I have with you. I'm
Okay.
just checking if I have a plan available for this domain. Give me a quick moment. Let me just quickly check. You're talking about the skincare, right?
Right.
A doctor.
Right.
I remember I made a plan for Kaya. That was long back. I don't even know if I have this plan available at my deck. Let me just quickly check. No, I must have had keyword research, Ayurveda products. No, not for Kaya. And media plans, media plan drive, media plan deck. So here I have different media plans you want for this is it's for medical, for a hospital.
Yeah.
Let me just check if I have any lead generation thing in it. This is the project summary. This is for a IVF, maternity and dermatology. Yeah, dermatology is there. So this is the branding and awareness plan. Here is the Google plan, and here is the lead generation. Yep. I think this will help you. It's having everything. It's also having a sales funnel. Sales funnel means clients so usually do not ask for sales funnel, but this is amazing thing. If you really want to close a client, telling him that what would be the eventual OPD or a treatment or a business that you will be closing by the end of the month. A great way of closing clients. So people usually do not share this share this plan. This plan starts with telling them how many leads we can generate. Percentage wise, what could be the qualified, one second, someone is joining. Percentage wise, what could be the qualified leads? Then it boils down to booking for OPD, then OPDs, treatment and surgery.
Okay.
Okay, this is the plan for your industry. Can you tell me your email ID, Ankit?
Ankit Mishra,
How do you spell that?
ANKIT.
Let me share the entire drive access with you rather than sharing that. Yeah, ANKIT.
MISHRA.
Yeah, Ankit Mishra 436, right?
Can you share?
Not that one.
I'm sorry.
Also share with me also.
Guys, do you mind texting your email ID?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I will
That
also.
would be easy.
I'll just share it to everyone at once. Now let me just check. Someone was trying to. Okay, I got Yusuf's, Ankit's, and Swapnil 3. I'll share it while talking to you. So let's quickly talk to another person in the row. I guess I have. Okay. Okay. I'm just checking. So let's talk to Yusuf. Hey, Yusuf, I guess we are talking after a span of 2 months, if not.
Yeah. Before Ramzan, I think so.
Yeah, I guess before Ramzan.
Suddenly you got what happened to you? Last class I have not attended, and I'm waiting for your SEO classes.
Yeah, so I was just providing
SEO session.
I was not providing regular classes. I was working on a LMS for this entire training session. So if you remember, I have shared this training deck.
Yes.
Training deck was having the list of topics, modules for people to watch. But sadly, people were not really completing this training because they did not have a proper LMS in it.
Okay.
Then I was working on different LMS, so I can create this training through a software. So when people completes one session, then they have to go through other sessions as well.
Oh, like that you have changed everything.
Not change everything, just added a LMS into the training. That's it.
Okay, fine. How we get the access to the LMS?
I'll share the access with you. Maybe you drop me an email or something. I'll share the access.
Okay, I will share the
So
email ID
now
again.
you have a different private, means like one website where you have uploaded our course, or is it in?
No, everything is same. Everything. There's
everything
nothing
is-
changed. It's only for people who are not able to complete the training through that deck. Those same videos are added to LMS.
Oh, okay.
Everything is same. Nothing is changed.
Okay, fine. I want only the SEO session. I'm waiting for the SEO session. Is that possible? I have to see the recording.
For SEO session, yeah, I did not have a SEO session. So I'm doing a SEO session in the morning. So I'm having 2 sessions from 10 to 1. But these sessions are happening through a company. So I can't really take you into those sessions.
Okay.
I just think, how can I get you into a SEO session? Oh my God. I'll just write it in the notepad because otherwise I'll forget. I have lots of things to do in my life.
Okay.
But yeah, I don't have a lined up session, in fact, for SEO. I don't even know.
But I have seen that in the curriculum you have mentioned in SEO. I think so. That's the only reason I joined this. And then
Yeah, I have added a SEO planning part, right?
yes.
Okay, I'll complete it. I'll definitely complete it. I'll let you know. I'm just writing it down in my. I know it's pending for a very long time. I'm just writing it down in my Asana. Asana is the tool which I use to manage my projects, also to manage my daily activities. So SEO project planning. This is what you're talking about, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll make sure I'll be at it by the end of this week.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for
You're welcome. So let me just end up. Oops. No, it's not here. Surbhi, Akansha, Swapnil, Yusuf, Harry. Okay, I'm sending you the access.
Sorry.
Amit Mishra is left, I guess. Cool. So let's quickly talk to who do we have next. Okay. I don't want to make this session boring. Sometimes when I discuss about things only for digital marketing, it gets boring. I would like to talk about a couple of other things as well. But maybe let's say we talk to whom do we talk? Shrikant. Hey Shrikant, how are you doing?
Hi.
Hi. I guess we are talking for the first time.
Yes. This is my
Cool.
first class I'm attending.
All right, great. So Shrikant, I would like to know, when have you got a chance to get in touch with the Springtails project deck? Number one, what you are doing in your life. Number two, what is your aspiration in digital marketing journey?
Yeah. So currently, I'm into digital marketing only since last 8 years. So I'm into fully SEO mostly.
Mhm.
So I know I can understand the campaign everything. Even I have the certificates and everything, but yeah, I've not get any scope to work on paid marketing, performance marketing.
Mhm.
So that is my first thinking. I want to get hands-on experience on working with paid ads, or you can say performance ad, like everything, all kind of performance marketing. So that's the plan, and I saw the opportunity in Instagram, I think. Yeah, so from there I get to know about this, and I immediately signed up for the program. Let's get into this.
And
So
when have you
currently,
joined this program, Shrikant?
recently, I think maximum 1 week back.
1 week back. Okay. So have you been able to complete the training when it comes to understanding the media planning, structuring the ad account and the campaigns?
Yeah, I got few links. I have not get any time because I think I was resigned my current company and I'm joining a new company. So I think I got so much task on my pipeline. So I got busy with that. So
Not a
I've
problem.
not get time to get into that. So I'm starting now.
Cool. So guys, the idea to create a Springtails, a website, then running ads on it, joining people, is to help them understand how they can really start off with planning a project, then how they can launch the campaigns in the project, and more importantly, how they can generate sales out of it at an optimum cost. That was the idea.
Yeah.
I'm still wondering why people like Akansha have joined the session, because you are already an expert in digital marketing. Why would you join the session of with someone who is going to tell you how to run paid campaigns? Because you have been doing it for a very long time.
And one more.
Actually, the thing is, did you ask me or sorry?
Yeah, I asked you, then
interrupted.
I'll circle back to Shri. Shri was trying to say something, or I guess Swapnil was trying to say something. Let's say you answer first, and then I'll go back to Shri and Swapnil.
Yeah. Actually, the thing is like the budget allocation, the media planning, all these things. The course can't make you learn. When you come to means you learn something from a different course from YouTube or other platform, and when different projects like totally given to you and you have to manage it all, there comes the main thing. So actually, no one has guided me well to like how much ad spend should be there, how much KPI should be there, how much percentage open rate, all these things. So it was all like guessing game.
Okay, so I guess people don't plan the project before starting the project.
Yes, most of the startup I feel if you are already working in a company, means, MNC or some type of company, they have their planning and all. They just give you the budget and you have to give certain results. But in I have basically worked in a SaaS company only. So there is a major problem there. Like when it is a B2B company, like how you can give them the result by planning your own self only and allocating the budget, everything without knowing Where means without a what mind map.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
A very long answer for a short question, Akanksha, but that's fine. I got the idea. So I guess it's about knowing how to work on different projects. Additionally, how to plan the project, right?
Yes, exactly.
Perfect. Makes sense. All right. I'm sorry. Where's Ankit? Yeah. I'm sorry. Not Ankit. I was talking to. One second. I'm not able to find. Okay. Okay. She. Was it you who was trying to say something, or was it Swapnil? I got the voice, but I didn't get the exact line.
Yeah, I thought I think for different industry also different media
Yeah.
planning everything should be
Absolutely. It differs.
so
And
yeah, we
when-
need to experience on different industry because I see ki, when you get experience, they start seeing ki if you have experience in that particular industry, then only they are hiring.
Now, a very important point, right? So when you get into any interview, if they find someone who is coming from the same industry,
Yeah,
or even if you are not coming from the same industry, if you are able to answer them the questions about that industry,
yeah,
then they really choose you compared to someone else who is at the same level in the interview.
even now the resume level also they are saying ki, which industry you are working on. So
They
suppose you mention in real estate industry, so they prefer ki, you get into you get most of the call from real estate. Currently I'm working
it
for real
happens.
estate industry, so I'm getting calls
So-
from all the real
For
estate.
me, whenever I would go for any interviews, by the way, I keep on giving the interviews not because I want to get a job, just to stay updated in the market, and also to challenge myself. I wanted to talk to people. I wanted to interviewed by people who would be asking me something about digital marketing which I don't know. So what I do just to get shortlisted sometimes for the interview round, which I shall not be doing by the way, but I really love giving interviews. I've been doing it
Yes.
since I was in 12th class. I don't know why.
That's actually great experience. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is.
It excites me giving the interviews. It excites me getting rejected or selected. I know sometimes it's wastage of the time for that company, which I really feel bad about. I shall not be doing it.
Yeah.
But to stay updated with the market, also to remove any of the nervousness that I have inside me, I've
True,
been
true,
doing
true.
it since my 12th class. And the
Great, great.
first interview which I given, I still remember the lady asked me, "Hey, Kamran, tell me about yourself." And I was so nervous that I forgot my name.
Oh,
So it happens. That's why I keep on challenging myself.
even I prefer to do that experiment. That's a good
Amazing.
one. Good one.
So when I apply for these interviews in my resume, I put down the projects in the portfolio of the same industry.
Yes, that's good.
That person sees this is what he has done, and also when he questioned me about tell me about this project. So when interview ask anything, he don't ask tell about this that or he can randomly ask the question. Then I start making the stories from the same industry, projects
Yes,
in the same industry, so he get a connection out of it. So that's
yes.
how you can get more chances of getting selected for the job interviews. Maybe a
Actually,
quick takeaway.
so
for
in
you.
resume, one more thing I found valuable key. When you mention the project or the company industry, and apart from that, you need to mention key how much achievement you did. So they want some figure, faction figure to see.
Maybe the
So this
budget,
much growth
maybe
you
the
have seen,
budget
this
of the
much leads you
achievement.
generated.
Yeah. I don't mention the achievements, which I do mention in the portfolio, but not in the resume, because in resume you don't have that much of
Okay.
area
Yeah.
put in the achievements. But yeah, I have two things. One I have is the resume. On resume, I am having the portfolio, just the names and the budgets. Spends. Companies also look for the amount that you spend for them.
Yeah.
Along with that, additionally, I have a separate portfolio. There it contains all the details, starting from the challenges and the achievements as well.
Great.
It's the case study kind of.
Yes. So
Cool. So now let's quickly get in touch with Surbhi. Hey, Surbhi, I guess you are the last one whom I'm getting to talk to. Thanks for staying on the call with the patient, with such a patience. Yeah, please go ahead. Are we talking?
Hello. Sorry.
Hi. Are we talking for the first time?
Yeah, we are talking for the first time.
Okay.
Actually, I don't know how I joined this session, but
Okay, that's
I
fine.
now I feel lucky that I joined this.
Is it really?
Yeah, like
Okay.
so I have just 2 years of experience in digital marketing.
Mhm.
Firstly, I joined a company which is a crypto based. that was the foolish decision of me that I joined because I just handled the social media. That time I was a fresher actually.
Hmm.
So and now my next job is again in a startup where I handle paid campaigns, Facebook paid ad campaigns,
Amazing.
and yeah, for the insurance sectors.
Okay.
Uh, yeah. So basically, now I want to learn more about Google Ads and everything else, so that I also wanted to work on different projects,
Hmm.
so that I can add on to my resumes to get a better job
Okay.
further.
So you are looking forward to increase your portfolio, which means
Yes,
looking forward to work on more projects. And you already have
yes,
experience of around 1 or 2 years in the industry, right?
yes, yes.
Cool. Amazing. Have you got platform or maybe the project deck access by any chance?
Yes, I got the access of some like videos or courses, but I didn't got any time to like watch that. But now definitely I will continue to watch.
It's fine. It's totally fine. I understand that. So if I have got 100 people who have joined that training deck, out of 100, not even 5% people have completely watched the videos. And initially, I thought there was something wrong with the videos, and I don't have a right feedback about it. Maybe people like you can tell me if the videos are totally fine up to your expectation. Or then I thought people are not really having time to watch the videos. Or maybe I thought they forget it. Then I pushed those videos in a LMS, in a software. So they get to watch the videos in series. I don't know what could be the outcome of it, but I really want to know if these videos, recorded videos, are really making any sense for you or not. Someone who has watched the videos can really tell me about it.
I think LMS would be very, better. In that case, it will be, systematical series, everything will
Yeah,
come.
yeah,
That
that's
will
the
be
idea.
better.
Yeah.
Sir, can you please share the access of LMS in that the WhatsApp group actually?
Well, I can't share the LMS access in the WhatsApp group because it asks me to add the email IDs of the people separately.
Okay.
And also, LMS is having some cost attached to it. So I'm
Right.
only providing the access of LMS to very limited people right now. I will think I'm trying to get a free LMS. So the LMS allows me an option to add unlimited people. Right now, I got this LMS through Zoho. Zoho Learn is the name of the software, and this is giving me a
Yes.
very hard time to add unlimited people into it. I
Right.
tried other LMS as well, but I didn't like the entire UI of those LMS.
UI.
That's why I am sticking to uh, this Zoho Learn right now. But LMS is having the same videos which are there in the project deck.
Okay.
If you
So
want,
can you just share the how to watch that like in sequence actually?
yeah, that's what LMS do. Okay, if you're asking me, let me just show you the LMS. So is my screen visible to you?
Yes, yes.
So this is the entire project deck. I guess you already have the access of the project deck. This is the video which I have added to LMS. Here I
Yes.
shall be having the LMS. This one is having different phases. The current, it's having 8 phases in total. I'm still working on it. And the week 1, this entire, okay. So this entire planning and setup is converted only and only for week 1 over here. It's having different videos. I guess now you can understand the videos.
Yes.
It starts with digital marketing planning, e-commerce website setup, Google ad account setup, merchant center and Shopify feed setup, tracking setup, Google ad campaign setup. Eventually, we have Meta ads campaign setup. So we have 3 modules. All of these 3 modules are only for 1 week now, because I'll add you if you want. I can definitely add you right
Yes.
now because you have already asked twice and thrice. I really shall be adding you from here. Can you tell me your email ID, Swapnil?
Yeah, Holkar Swapnil 06. HOLKAR SWAPNIL. HOLKAR SWAPNIL 06 @gmail.com.
Cool. So, hold on, something is really wrong.
Actually, I have put it as SWAPNIL HOLKAR
Is it correct?
Yes, Holkar Swapnil 06.
Holkar Swapnil 06. Oops. I don't know what's wrong with it. I guess you have not added already. No, you are not there. Let me just refresh the screen. Try to add you for once again. No. Swapnil, maybe you send me another ID if that's okay with you. You can email me. I'll text you my. You have my email ID?
Maybe.
Okay, I'm just texting you my email ID. Maybe you can email me.
Yeah, sure.
And then I'll add you here. Okay, cool. So I was talking about this particular topics. Then I have added couple of more topics. This is week 1 and week 2. No, you have not even entered in week 2. In week 2, I was thinking about adding people on the project, not to everyone, but to a limited people. So they get access of these accounts. They get access of Springtails project. They get access of Roboso Cloud. They get access of Facebook Catalog Manager. They get access of Springtails. They get access of Springtails Merchant Center Analytics, Google and Meta in the week 2. Then week 3, I wanted to train them on how to optimize these accounts, optimize the accounts and the campaigns through the recorded and the live sessions. Eventually, so they can learn about the campaign performance, campaign optimization part as well. Then it was about how to plan social media in week 4. This is entirely allotted to social media marketing. Then SEO, starting with SEO project planning. This is the topic which Yusuf was talking about. This is not recorded yet. Then it was about how to work on Looker Studio, MS Clarity, Hotjar, landing page, email marketing, WhatsApp marketing. Additionally, all tools of digital marketing, maybe Asana as well. Then it's about how to win a client, starting with how to create a proposal for the client, how to create a media plan for the client, how to acquire a client, how to send reports to the client. Yep. Then it was about how to become a freelancer, set up a lead campaign, how to get a job working in different digital marketing domains, how to start a business, how to set up a creative agency, how to become a digital marketer, eventually how to become a member when you start working with Digital IMC on a contractual role. So it was having very long modules. I don't know if this is way too much for people like you or if it's going to help you. I have not tested it out yet.
I think
it would help.
all this is good. I think the CRM setup, I think that is missing one.
Yeah, I have added
This
no. CRM, do you mean Asana? Or
No,
CRM
CRM integration like Salesforce or you can say Joe Hotspot.
for leads.
Yeah, for leads, like from Facebook to in Google Ads to everything should the leads should be flow in the CRM.
Yeah, absolutely right. I think this one is missing. So I can Asana was added somewhere at the bottom. So I can add MS Clarity, Hotjar, landing page, email marketing, WhatsApp marketing. Yeah, I can add here. I can setting up CRM, leads CRM or sales CRM.
Yeah, so that dashboard it will come. So it will flow all the leads from so its source.
Yep, absolutely. I think this one is missing. Thanks for updating. I totally missed this one. So this is the usually entire journey of a digital marketer. They usually have to start with understanding the project planning, then account setup, campaign setup, then campaign performance. Then it could also be social media marketing, SEO, setting up Looker Studio, MS Clarity, Hotjar, landing page, email marketing, WhatsApp marketing, setting up CRM, as you said, Finally, it could be creating the proposal, creating the project and media planning for a client, then acquiring a client for meta ads. I don't think I have reporting added over here. Yeah, I shall also be adding management after onboarding. Okay. Okay, I have to add one more part here. Creating project reports, monthly reports. So this was the idea of setting up this entire training. I don't know if this one is really going to help people or not. As I said, I have not tested it yet.
Yeah, definitely this will help. I think
Definitely.
You think so?
Yes, definitely it will help.
Yes.
yes.
You covered everything in the digital
I'm,
marketing.
yes,
Yeah.
I'm working as an e-commerce head
Oh, that's great,
actually.
Swapnil. At which
Yeah,
city and company?
yeah, I'm in a Nasik actually. It's a small firm.
Mm-hmm.
So we generally sell chicken and egg products
Mm-hmm.
pan India.
Wow.
Yeah. So since last 5 years,
Hmm.
I have served lots of courses actually.
Okay.
But your one is the best in class actually.
Really? I wonder.
It's not uh, actually it's best the way you communicate na.
Mm-hmm.
So the after my first mentor, Mr. Sanjeev Mishra,
Mm-hmm.
the way you communicate and the way you are giving this knowledge na,
Mm-hmm.
there is it's like a 1% in industry actually.
Mm-hmm.
I have go through growth school.
Mm-hmm.
My captain,
You're giving me goosebumps. I'm really getting excited.
craft shala.
Yeah.
Actually, I have all the courses actually.
Mm-hmm.
So I have started digital marketing in 2019 actually.
Wow.
So I started working in a IT company for digital
Mm-hmm.
marketing for IT company
Mm-hmm.
in 2000 for 1 year. Then I started my own e-commerce brand
Mm-hmm.
to sell gifting idols on Flipkart and Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
Then I shifted. Then I got opportunity in my company actually,
Mm-hmm.
which is Nasik based company.
Mm-hmm.
So it's then I started store for that company, Shopify store. Then
Mm-hmm.
I start getting orders on the same. So
Wow.
it's growing right now.
Amazing.
So I'm yeah, but along with that, I started different courses also. But the
Hmm.
way you are teaching
Hmm.
is the best actually, best.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that. So, Swapnil, the idea of this entire training was not to really sell out the courses. It was, I really thought about filling a gap. I found a gap in the market where I saw people who are doing digital marketing. They really don't become a digital marketer because
And
they
sir,
don't.
I, I would like to say that in the current market,
Hmm.
there is no one is going to teach current digital marketers. They want to excel. They
Hmm.
want to enhance their knowledge.
Hmm.
There is no one. Actually, in a market, there is a simple. They are selling same thing in a different way.
Hmm.
If I want to upgrade and I go to the growth school or young urban projects
Hmm.
or for my captain,
Hmm.
they are teaching same things all in a
Hmm.
different way.
Hmm.
But what you are doing is totally different. You are giving the exact in industry knowledge actually. The
Hmm.
people generally, I go through all the courses now. But if you work on the specific project now, you
Hmm.
need to do something research it your own, and you
Hmm.
are providing actually the data or processes already done in the market.
But I
So
guess
that's
certain
the
people are still not liking the course much. I have given this
no no
course to
no
around
no
100 people so far.
no sir. They are like some of people now like that. I just earlier joined,
Hmm.
th- and people like me actually we know the value.
Hmm.
Maybe the people are freshers. They
Can you
don't know the gap.
Yeah. So the
Okay.
course was made
In
for
my
two kind of
scenario,
people.
in my scenario, what happened?
Mhm.
I done a digital marketing course in my own city, Nasik.
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
I started working in a Nasik.
Mhm.
So the way I want to excel,
Mhm.
to get exposure, so
Mhm.
I haven't got that actually.
Mhm.
So my dream is to work in a, like the company Group M, Publicis,
Mhm. Mhm.
to get more knowledge.
Mhm.
So I'm working for a startup right now
Mhm.
from last 4 years, the
Okay.
same company.
So
And
Swapnil, I'm really overwhelmed by
yeah,
what
yeah,
you have
sure,
said.
sure.
I'm really overwhelmed by your words. So yeah, that the idea was to train two kind of people. One person who has already had some sort of understanding of digital marketing. He know about metrics, he know about platforms, but never got a chance to work on a project.
Yes.
That was the first target audience.
Yeah.
And I found a lots of people who go to these institutes to learn Google digital marketing. Sometimes I feel that they are getting cheated. I know that
Yes.
that's a very strong word when I'm saying this.
No, 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 it's industry fact.
And then they never get a chance to actually work on a project which eventually does not get them a job. That was the first target audience. The second target audience are people who are working in one of the facets, one of the arm of digital marketing, maybe someone who is working in SEO, looking forward to learn digital marketing for other platforms as well, in other platforms as well, maybe Google, Meta, LinkedIn, or anything else. So those were the
Great.
two target audience. As I said, the idea was not to play this entire training like a course. It was rather to make it run like a training so people could really connect, they could talk. Even if I would have a weekly discussion with people, I would love it. I love talking to people who are already in this space. But then sometimes, because of my personal dependencies in life, my personal projects, I'm not really able to get the time to have the regular sessions, which I'm thinking to keep it at around 9:30. Sometimes I'm screwing people's life because usually at this end, people are always partying because it's a weekend and most of the working people go out to socialize on the weekend. So it's great that you guys are available today. That's why we are having this conversation. But Swapnil, tell me, is it really an option? Is it really a possibility when everyone is going partying at this time, 9:30 on the weekend?
Yes, actually, I'm very partyholic guy.
Wow, amazing.
So,
So how come you are
but
not partying today?
no, no, no. But recently I stopped actually.
Okay,
I I'll become a very sober guy.
okay. Wow,
So
amazing.
I hit party like a Friday, Saturday, Sunday from last 3, 4 years.
Okay. Oh my God. Swapnil, I just realized I have one more person in the queue, whom I have not talked to. I don't know how I missed him. Hardik
Hardik.
is there. Yeah, Hardik. I don't know how I missed it. Hey, Hardik. I'm so sorry. I have not figured out that you are also there in the group. Do you mind saying hi, hello? How's your day? Why aren't you off for a party? Oops. Hardik has put us all. Oh my God. So I think he's off somewhere, might have joined the session and then he left, or he's not willing to talk. That could be the other case. Anyways, so yeah, so
But
I was talking
I
about.
would like to see that say that.
Hmm,
So in my career of digital marketing since last 5 to 6 years now,
hmm.
I have found like very genuine, 2, 3 genuine peoples actually,
स्वप्निल अब मैं रोने
including
लगूंगा.
you.
I will start crying seriously. मतलब
No,
मुझे
no, no. It's truth actually.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I don't मतलब मुझसे सुना नहीं जाता बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा ही. मतलब मुझे
Hi, Kamran. I know you mentioned my name. I tried um, unmuting my mic, but um, it was like I had this iPhone where I didn't allow meet microphone in the first place, so I got logged off the meeting.
That's totally fine, Hardik. Are we speaking for the second time or the first time, by the way?
This is first time joining the meeting actually.
And when have you joined this training deck?
I just joined it today. It was
Oh yeah.
the ad that I saw, and
Oh my God.
it was a bit relevant to me, so I
Hmm.
thought of giving it a try.
Okay. So I guess you have not even gone through the entire training deck. You
I
are
have
there.
not.
Thankfully, you are listening to us patiently. Let me just give you a brief idea what exactly this is about. So this training program is for people who are there in the industry. Either they are in the industry or they have taken some sort of digital marketing course, but yet to work on a project. So the
Right.
idea is to give them understanding about a project, maybe about Google, Meta, also about media planning. Swapnil is liking the course. He is having amazing things to talk about. But sadly, if I would hear him more, Swapnil, I will start crying. That's why I'm just trying to avoid you. I'm
Yeah.
sorry for that. I'm really sorry for that. And yeah, so the idea is to train people on how to, first of all, plan a project, then how to set up ad accounts, how to work on campaigns, and eventually how to get returns out of it. Then later on, how to work like you shall work in an agency. I really want to bring this agency culture to the project, which is not happening as of now, where I tell them, I teach them, train them how do you work on a project like it's happening in an agency. Eventually, how you end up getting a job or how you end up making a career out of it. That's the entire overview of the platform. I would really want to know, Hardik, how are you doing in digital marketing? What exactly is your current role, journey, and location? And then how what you're doing to do, what you're going to do in your life. What's the aspiration?
So I was in digital marketing domain from 2019.
Mhm.
Right now, I switched career in sales.
Okay.
It's a telecom B2B.
Okay.
But I'm keeping up with everything, whatever's going on with Lovable, Bolt, web scraping, and automating all these workflows.
Mhm.
Um, I was instructor for digital marketing in Canada.
Wow,
Maybe
that's
we'll
amazing.
talk about this at some
Yeah,
another time.
maybe at a different session.
Yes. But yeah, I tried looking for a job in Indian market, and they were looking for, you know, experience with handling budget, and
Absolutely. Mhm.
the money that I was given at that time, it wasn't much. So I just thought of getting a sales job to begin with, and
Yeah, that happens. I understand.
yeah.
Okay. Sad journey for people who have not really managed accounts and projects. And sometimes when they're starting off in the Indian market, they don't get the expected salary out of the market. Uh, a bitter story about markets.
I
In
think
fact,
everything is connected in a way. So I am not hating what I'm doing right now, but also keeping up with what's going on.
yeah. So last year I went to Middle East market. I was just trying to check out the market. The idea was to start an agency in Middle East. So I calculated all the cost of Middle East market, met with a couple of clients, couple of people who are already in the agency. And then I started also gave a couple of interviews and realized people are not offering me a good salary even after working for around uh, tenure of 10 to 12 years because I don't have any Middle East experience.
Right.
So they were only on to give a good salary to someone who is already working in the Middle East market.
Yeah, I've had like interviewers told me that you don't know anything about Indian market. And
Mhm.
I'm like, these are transferable skills. What is the problem basically? But I do understand their concerns at the end of the day,
Mhm.
and I'm okay with it.
So what's the expectation out of your life right now in this domain? Because I can see you're totally connected with that domain. It's just that you have chosen sales for a while, and I guess sales is a profile which does not work for people for a very long time unless you really grow in the leadership of a company.
Well, for now, I am killing where I am. So,
Amazing.
again, no complaints.
Wow.
But I do love marketing as a whole and then cybersecurity. So, it's just learning is ongoing process, right?
Mhm.
So, we never leave that. Does not matter what domain you go into. So, let's say, like, if you end up working in a sales for a different company and um, you still love marketing, then obviously you will try to keep up with it in a way.
Absolutely. That shall work. Great. So that was quite a good and a unique story, Hardik, compared to other people in the session, because most of the people here are either already working. In fact, most of them today are working in digital marketing industry. I don't think we have a single person who is not working. Do we have anyone who is not working, by the way? Yusuf, I really forgot what exactly you are doing.
I'm a freelancer. I'm freelancing,
Yeah.
doing freelancing.
What projects are you handling? Is it paid, social, or
Paid and
organic?
everything. SEO
Somewhere in
and
South, in Hyderabad, I guess.
yeah, no, it's Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore.
In
I'm from
Coimbatore. Oh,
Tamil
I'm
Nadu.
sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. I really so I talk to around 20, 30 people every single day. Sometimes I forget their names.
Yeah.
Sometimes I
No
even
issues.
forget their profiles. Yeah,
Okay.
cool. So yeah, you are working in Coimbatore, working as a
Yeah.
freelancer. Great.
Freelancer.
So I guess everyone is working in the digital marketing domain. I really
Yes.
wonder if I would be able to help you to grow through Springtails as a project. Because now onwards, I'm planning to start off the campaigns on the regular basis. The campaigns are on hold right now. I was thinking of starting it today, but if not today, I'll be starting it off tomorrow. And that's say I will add you people on, at least you people, couple of people. I can't add everyone. There are 100 people. I don't know. Okay. So guys, in Google and also in Meta, we have some limitations.
Yes.
If I have 100 people in the training, I can't add all of those 100 people into Google and Meta accounts. That's a limitation for me. So I might think of adding a couple of you people. Maybe you can nominate your names, people who are really interested. Also, people who think they can work on the campaigns. That's more important part. If someone think he's not having time, he's not really be able to dedicate himself or herself to the project, adding him or her in the project will not really help, neither for me, neither for you. I am just willing to add initially. I'm willing to add people who could further work on the project, also connect with me either on the daily or on the alternate basis. I have not decided the timings yet, but I guess for working people, 9:30 is a very good time, at least to join on the weekdays. For weekends as well, sometimes we will complain it's a very late evening, but sadly, I don't have another fixed window. 9:30 really suits me to connect with people. I'm not having any work, not any social calls for me at 9:30. So I'm just trying to understand if there's anyone who can really, really work on the account on the regular basis. That means he can dedicate 30, 40 minutes a day, not to make the changes, but at least to supervise, maybe to review the project. Someone who is interested to work on the campaigns. Currently, I have 3 campaigns in Google, starting with search, shopping, and performance max. 2 to 3 campaigns in Meta. Meta would be having one sales campaign, maybe a conversion campaign. It would be having another dynamic remarketing campaign, would be having 5 to 6 campaigns in total. Yeah. So someone who is Surbhi has raised the hand. I guess
Yes.
Surbhi, do you think you'll be able to work on the regular basis, maybe on the daily basis?
Yes. I'm Swapnil.
Hi, so
Yes, I can do.
you can also raise your
Yeah.
hand. Okay. So I guess I have 3 nominees. One is Surbhi, second is Akanksha, third one is Swapnil. And guys, will you be able to connect at 9:30 if possible?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, we can connect.
Cool. So I have 3 people, Surbhi, Akanksha, and Swapnil. Cool.
I will also try to work.
Shrikant, can you raise up your hand so I get your name added
Yeah.
in the row?
I'd love to
Like-
join as well, but I have night shifts, so weekends are the only days where I get some window.
Okay, so let's say I get you added in it. If you don't join, that's totally fine. It's not really where I can push you to join it. But yeah,
Right.
let's say you go through it first. And I understand you are not working on the campaigns right now. So maybe I won't be asking you to make any such changes in the accounts. Let's say you review the accounts. If I get any recorded session, I'll try to share the recordings with people in the group. I guess you are in the group already, right?
In the WhatsApp group, right?
In the WhatsApp group, absolutely.
Yes, yes, I am.
So let's say if I am having a session, I'll try to record it, share the link in the session so people in the group can really watch it. Sometimes the recordings are open. Most of the time the recordings may stay closed, which means people in the group can only view the recordings. We don't.
I have one question, Kamran. So the fees for this course, it's not really much, and the value that you are giving is like too much. I don't understand what is the reason behind of you trying to help everyone.
No, so the idea was to get people into the course by when they either pay 299 or 499 rupees. And then eventually I wanted to get in touch with people who really want to make a career out of it. Then in the second stage, I wanted to charge a monthly fee of around 5,000 or 6,000 rupees from these people, which I'm starting to do. I have not started it yet. So maybe once they join, if they like the training, if they think everything is running absolutely fine for them, then I started charging them some amount, which is not started yet, by the way. It's still in the pipeline.
Okay.
So I guess things takes time sometimes. I'm taking my own time to first set up everything.
Right.
It's not really set up the way I wanted to set up, and I would feel I would not really feel good if I would pay a hefty amount without providing them what I'm expecting them to get. So once everything gets set up, then I may start charging them around 5,000-6,000 rupees a month. That's the idea behind it, by the way.
Got it.
Glad you asked the question. I guess now
Okay.
it serves some purpose.
Thank you.
So it's also like a passion for me to train people in digital marketing. Even if I won't make anything good out of it, and people get trained through it, that would really be a very good, comfortable outcome through this training for me.
Got it.
Cool. So guys, 1 second. So I have, okay, I think I already have the email ID. I quickly want to mark down your email IDs so I can add you into the ad accounts. For Google, I can do it right away. Meta takes a while. For Meta, I need verification. So for every user which I add on Meta ad account, ask me to provide the verification. That's why it needs some time. Account access. So access and security. I have, okay, now I can add people here. Okay, I think I can copy the email IDs. I think Akanksha asked for the access, right, Akanksha?
Yes.
Okay. So currently I am giving the read access. I really want you guys to go through the account first, maybe go through the campaigns, then maybe in a week's time, I will try to add you in the standard access. Read is the one where you can review the campaigns. You can't make a change. Standard is the one where you make the changes in the campaign. I guess you know it already, right? Adding you for another, let's say, 2 months. Yep. Okay, I can't add more than 1 people. I can't add multiple people here. So Akanksha is 1. Then I had Swapnil. Holkar swapnil06@gmail.com. Swapnil, adding you as well.
Kamran, please add me also. Okay, I will share my email ID.
Yeah, Yusuf, please do push in the email ID. I'll try to add it there. The campaigns are not active. I'm going to make it active by the end of today or tomorrow. You'll start finding the campaigns running there. Then if we connect, and then let's say I ask you to make some changes in the campaign, I'll share you the standard access as well. Then 3 people are added. Yusuf and Harry are left. Anyone else who has asked?
Can you please add me, Kamran?
Yeah. Can I get your email ID?
mail.srikant.
Okay. Give me a second, please. By the way, this is a very tedious task. I don't want to do it, but I don't have an API which allows me to push in all the access in one go. Yeah, Shrikant. Do you 1 second?
Mail
Harry has received it. MAIL.
dot
Hmm.
SRIKANTH
Mhm.
padhy@gmail.com.
Can you read it if it's fine? Is it correct?
Yes.
All right. So access is gone to Shrikant, Harry, Yusuf, Surbi, Swapnil, Akanksha. 6 people. All right. Cool, guys. So I guess we can end the session here unless someone is having anything else to talk about, anything to say.
When you complete all the SU and project management systems, everything, report everything.
Hmm. Are you saying when like the SEO one?
Yeah, SEO.
The SEO. Yusuf, I really would attempt to complete it by the end of this week.
Okay.
I know I have asked you, I have told this to you 2 months back as well that I have completed,
Yeah,
but something
yeah.
really got me. I don't know how I forgot it, but this time I've noted it down. I'll try to finish it by the end of this week.
You already in the curriculum system, you already opened this LMS, right?
Yeah.
You have planned everything when you will complete everything.
The entire LMS,
Yeah.
it's going to take 2 months because in LMS,
months.
if I go with it, I'm still thinking what topics I choose, what topics I remove from it. As I guess Shri has asked me to add one more topic. That was a real good topic, which I totally forgot. So I am still working out if these topics are the correct topics for people to learn digital marketing. If you want, I can give you a quick review. So I'm having week 1 dedicated to project planning and setup.
Okay.
In week 1, people are supposed to learn digital marketing plannings, how to set up a website, how to set up ad account, how to set up merchant center, how to set up trackings, how to set up Google ad, how to set up Meta ad. I don't know if it's too much to do in a week. Do you think it's doable in a week, or a week is a very less time for all of these topics to cover up?
Yeah, you can. I'm already have an experience, so I can create within 2-3 days also. Itself, I can create everything. But maybe if it is a fresher, means maybe they will take time.
Fresher may need, but yeah, but I'm targeting people who already have understanding in digital marketing. I'm not talking to people who are completely fresh.
Okay. Then maybe they will create within a week. They will finish everything within 2-3
Because,
days.
Yeah, sometimes if people get a lot of time, they just get off the topic. They get off the training. If there's a lot of gap in the training. I'm still thinking on it, by the way. I need feedbacks. Maybe Akanksha or Shrikant or Harry can give me some feedbacks. Do you think these topics are doable in a week? You think people can?
Yeah.
These are the activities, by the way. So every single module is having activity to do. So they are supposed to create the media plans, media marketing and project plans. They are supposed to set up a domain and website. They are supposed to set up ad accounts, supposed to set up merchant center account, do trackings. Finally, they shall be able to launch Google and Meta campaigns.
Yeah, I think every day this should work. Then only they can finish. Otherwise, it will be a bit more.
Yeah. Then I'm thinking about providing them access of Springtail's project, Roposo, Facebook Catalog Manager, Merchant Center, Analytics, Google Ads, and Meta Ads. Now, the challenge for me is if I'm having lots of people, how would I add all of those people to these ad accounts? That's a real challenge for me.
Yeah, it's definitely a big challenge for you.
In fact, I was thinking,
everyone.
Yeah, adding everyone is a challenge. So I was thinking about only adding people. Not now. I'm not talking about you guys, so don't worry about it. I was thinking about adding people who only pay. Maybe they pay around 5,000-6,000 rupees a month, which could be a lot for someone like you. I'm still thinking if that's the right process or not. And people who pay, they get access of the ad account, and they also get opportunity to work on the ad account. I'm not really sure if asking 5K is too much from. It could be really too much for someone like you. It could not be much for someone who's really new, who is really looking forward to train himself. So I'm still figuring out if this amount is going to make some sense or not. This is underway.
Yes.
Anyone who would like to comment on Swapnil? What do you say?
Yeah, so it's good actually.
For me, it's good. I'm talking about people. Yeah, it's good for me, of course.
Yeah, no, actually, there is what lots those who have not joined today's call actually. So
Hmm.
almost there is more than a 50 people or nearby 100 people are there. Okay,
Hmm.
so they are not getting seriousness about it. You're getting my point.
I'm totally getting your point. That was another reason why I think sometimes people take the course seriously only when they are paying some valuable amount to it. Otherwise, they don't value the course.
But actually, the harsh reality is people who have spending lakhs of rupees on the digital marketing course now, even they are
Hmm.
not completing that course actually.
Okay, so you won't believe me. I'm providing a course where everyone is paying 60,000 rupees. I'm the trainer in this course. I'm doing this from through a company. I can't name this company because it's an online session. I can really put it on YouTube, not a wise way, a good way to name the company. But people are paying around 60,000 for this training session. There are people who have just completed MBA, not having a job, paid a hefty amount. I'm having 25 people in this training session. You know how many people joined this session?
5, 6 people or 7 people.
7 to 8 people. That's it.
I know.
And I'm like, guys, you have paid 60,000 rupees for this digital marketing training. And I'm training you on projects. I'm like, I don't find people who really train them on digital marketing practical implementation. Out of 25, only 8 to 10 people join. Out of 10 people, you know how many people talk to me?
2, 3
One or
people.
two.
3 people, 4 people. And I am like, what the hell? Matlab, I'm all frustrated that I'm giving all my energy, and out of 25 people, I'm getting a chance to talk to only and only 4 people. That's it.
Actually, what happened now? People take decision to come in the digital marketing, but they starting with starting the learning na. When they start learning na, they feel like it's not my cup of tea.
Okay.
Yeah, so they left actually. छोड़ दो दूसरा कुछ करते हैं नहीं हो पाएगा.
Hmm.
No,
That's,
might be they are not finding that much interest.
yeah, yeah.
They should connect. They should feel the connect. In whatever their level, we need to go to their level, and if do will ask them, to do this step by step. So then they will get the clarity. Oh, yeah, this is getting interesting. Yeah. So that's they should feel those who connect. They will engage. Otherwise, they will be.
Huh.
Uh,
So I've not been able to figure out the right reasons of people, but yeah, as you said, some people really join the training. They don't really take it seriously. So I'm still figuring out how can I make this entire training more, I would say, worth more worthy. When they join it, they also complete it. That's the idea behind it. So as I said, week 1 is dedicated to Sprinklr's project planning and setup. Week 2 is for people getting to know the project. They get the access. Week 3 is when they start working on the campaigns. Now another challenge for me would be that everyone in that session may not be able to work on the campaigns. So I really have to find out a way, figure out a way so that everyone could get a chance to make some tweak in the campaign. That's a challenge for me, by the way. I can't let all of the people to work on these campaigns, right?
Right.
Fourth could be a couple of topics of social media marketing, which is not very amazing. Majorly, people like you are looking forward to learn Google and Meta ads. So maybe this topic is not making a very good sense for people like you. Sometimes it does, sometimes it may not. Then SEO, Yusuf, someone like Yusuf is really gonna get good takeaway from SEO. But for other people, SEO could also be a boring topic. I didn't have anything else to put in this training deck, so I thought putting SMM and SEO is a very good option. This is also a very good facet, very important pillar of digital marketing. Then in week 6, it's about how to set up Looker Studio, how to set up MS Clarity, Hotjar, creation of landing page, email marketing, WhatsApp marketing setup through Pably, then setting up a lead or sales CRM. Then in the week 7, it's about digital marketing proposals for client, acquiring a client, how to acquire a client, how to deliver or create and share a marketing contract with clients, eventually how to make monthly reports and manage the projects. In week 8, it's totally about how to make a career out of digital marketing in the form of freelancer, maybe getting a job, starting a business, setting up a digital marketing agency or creative. The difficult part in this entire training is these activities. So every single topic is also having an activity. That's the most challenging part, which people don't like to do. So I'm thinking if this is way too much for someone as a learner to do, or you think this is fine? I guess I'm not getting any
This is fine actually.
word from Akanksha or Surbhi. They are
Yeah, it's
totally
fine.
silent.
It's fine.
All right, cool. So I'll just check how I can get it shared with people. 2 challenges for me would be adding people in the ad accounts, also letting them work on the campaign. Adding on ad account is also possible till some extent. I can add maybe to around 50-60 people, but then making them work on all the campaigns is going to be very difficult task for me. Anyways, guys, so it was a lovely session, I guess. Amazing session. I don't know how we spent
Yes.
1.5 hours, and I really don't know if I ruined your weekend because, as I said, most of the people don't like to connect on in weekend nights, in fact, not the weeknights. But anyways, guys, I think it's time to say bye. Can we end the session? Shall we end the session here?
Yes.
2 people have already left.
Yes.
By the way.
Yeah, sir,
Okay.
I have one last question.
Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, is Roposo and that drop shipping things work actually? Is it?
It does. It does. It's not a very good platform, by the way. I mean,
Yeah.
they're not really good with deliveries. If you are thinking of starting a business, it can't be happening. It cannot happen through Roposo Cloud.
Yeah, so some of the creators, I don't want to take a name, but yeah, they are running the courses and just start with our course and earn up to 2 lakh, 3 lakh a month. And they're Indian drop shipping and Roposo Cloud.
Yes, yes, even I heard that one. I have taken
Selling the
many
courses.
courses.
Selling the courses. That's it.
Yeah,
You
something
can't.
like
You can't make money out of Roposo Cloud. I can
yeah,
tell you.
because I'm working in same field actually.
Yeah, you
Okay.
started with dropshipping. You know it very well. So Roposo Cloud
I
is
have
having a very
e-commerce, not drop shipping. On I have seen daily basis now. On
Hmm.
India Mart, the inventory cost is 150 rupees. Okay. On Amazon, the inventory cost is 350 rupees.
Hmm.
Okay. And Roposo inventory cost is like 400 rupees.
Yeah. So firstly, you don't have the margins left. Secondly, even if you choose the right product, which is having the margins, somehow you are able to get the returns out of it. Then the Roposo as a platform does not deliver the product. Out of 5, they only deliver 1 or 2 products, and the 3 products are not delivered, which end up ruining your entire marketing cycle.
Cycle.
Yep.
What they do, they like RTO. They are showing RTO,
I know,
return to origin, but
I know,
actually that product is delivered.
I know that. The only reason I am relying on Roposo Cloud is because of the fact that I don't have a better alternative dropshipping store in India. Roposo is still the best one. There's nothing better than that. If there is one, I would like to change it to that one. Let me know if you have anything in mind, Swapnil.
Yes, I have.
Which one?
I actually know yesterday I installed that. Actually, I forget.
So installing and working are 2 different things.
No, sir.
Okay.
The dashboard and the product cost is lesser than Roposo.
No, it's not only the. Okay, maybe you can tell me the name then. I'll try to test one as well.
I will.
Okay, let's say you get the name. If you get a chance, just drop me a text or maybe an email about that platform.
Give me a minute.
Kamran, are you tried Tutor LMS plugin?
Yeah,
Tutor LMS.
I have gone through Tutor LMS. I
Actually, I have my own website. Okay.
mhm.
So actually, so there's a different story, but I have Tutor LMS actually in that website. It's a course selling website actually. Digital marketing, e-commerce, all the course selling website. My own website.
Mhm.
I have Tutor LMS installed.
Is it free?
But
Are they providing free modules?
actually, mine was LPG, GPL.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tutor LMS.
I'll test Tutor LMS as well. I was
Yeah.
going through it. Yeah.
Tutor LMS, you
WP,
can get it. You can get it from the sale, like US sale, like Black Friday. You can
Yes.
get you can get a lifetime access, right? Around I think 40 or 35,000 something it will come. You can add more people or everything will come up with the LMS. You can
But
check it out
actually,
with the
sir,
LMS.
but in my website, it won't work actually. So what challenge I faced
Swapnil, are you
now?
talking about LMS or you are talking about that dropshipping
That,
store?
no, LMS. I
Okay.
have this also now. So LMS, the tutor LMS now, the person who enrolled actually,
Mhm.
they get out automatically after 3-4 days or after a week.
Okay,
And
I'll test it out first.
after paying and after rejoining, na, they'll not join actually. So this type of issues I faced.
So Zoho is the most reliable platform
Yes.
which I have been able to found so far. It's just that they are
And,
charging me around 60 rupees per user in one plan. In other one, they are charging me around 180 rupees per user every month.
and Teachable is also good.
Pitchable.
Teachable, yes.
Okay. I'll try to test that as well.
But a tutor LMS you can create your own. I don't know where he got original source or he got
Yeah.
from third party.
So
I
even if
think
I
so.
get it, I'll
That's the
test it
reason.
out for a
I
month.
got, but mine was third party for
It's
sure.
fine.
Yeah.
It's fine. So I'll get it. I'll test it out for around a month, and then only I'll deploy it.
You check it out the free version of tutor LMS. After that you can update. It is very good software.
Okay.
Everything
Perfect.
will come up.
I've noted it down. I'll really try to test it out.
You don't want to pay any monthly fees. I'm saying that Black Friday they will give you the offer with a lifetime warranty. Like that it will comes.
Okay, but do I have to wait for it till Black Friday, right?
Yeah. Before that you try it out and test it out.
I'll
It
try.
is work for you. Then you
Then
can
only I pay.
own the domain. Yeah, you can choose
Makes
the
sense.
WordPress, right? You are paying for a Zogo, right? Every month, if it is a user increase, you have to pay more money.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
that that's the reason I'm saying.
I'm only adopting Zoho for a while until I don't have more than 100 users on it. But the day I have more than 100 users, it's gonna charge me around 15,000 rupees. Then I really have to think about an alternate option. Anyways, I'll think about it. So Apnil, how about that drop shipping store, the one that you were telling me about?
Dropship India. Dropship India.
Dropship India.
Yes.
I guess I tested it already. How many products is it having?
More than Roposo.
Really?
Yes.
It's good then. I'll
And
really.
cheaper price actually.
Okay.
But I haven't tested delivery.
It's fine. It's
But
fine. Yeah, even Roposo is not good with delivery. So I'll test out this dropship India and then I'll check what I can get.
there's another one, Deodop.
Deodop I
is
tried. Not good. Not good. I tried it. Yeah. It's there having a limited number of products, very few products.
Yes.
Anyways, guys, so I guess we can end the session. It was a real pleasure talking with everyone on the Sunday night. You guys shall have an amazing week ahead of you. I'll be seeing you some other day then. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night, Kamran.
Good night.
Good night.